Model, 60-plate Fiat Doblo SX Multijet noisy gearbox Little Smokey ideal breaker spares repairs donor. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 186,227. MOT, 3 February 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 198 A3000, E4A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs fairly well but it's a little smoky possible turbo on the way out also the gearbox is noisy. Engine is great and sounds fantastic. Make what you want if this, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 3 former keepers, none.